Hello and welcome in my channel with a new tutorial. It's Laravel 10. Laravel 10 it's a new version from Laravel. It has some requirement. Let's see the requirement of Laravel 10. First thing, Laravel 10 require PHP 8.1 or 8.2. So to see if we have the right requirement, we can go to CMD. If you have Windows installation, you can press Windows key and R and press CMD and just type PHP -v. We have 8.2.4, so our requirement it's good. And let's check our composer if it's installed. What is the composer? It's dependency manager for PHP or for Laravel. So let's say composer -v, and we will see that we have composer installed with version 2.5.8. okay, this is the first step with Laravel 10. Let's go to documentation and make sure you have select the 10 version and go to the first start point to in documentation. Installation to install or create a new Laravel project, we have to use composer, and as we see we have a composer installed already. Let's see in documentation how we can start a new project. We have two ways. One way, if we have composer globally installed, then we can use Laravel new and project name. If we don't have or we don't install the composer globally, we can use the manual steps. It's by right composer, create a project, Laravel and project name. Let's copy this and let's create a new folder. Let's name it Laravel 10. Inside this project, we will hit in the search bar and type cmd to open the terminal in the right path. After that, we can pass the statement of creating a new Laravel project, composer create project, Laravel, and let's call it first project or anything else. Hit enter and the Laravel will start to install project dependency and files for the last version of Laravel. It's Laravel 10.2.6. We should wait until the installation is completed. So I will stop this video and resume when installation complete. Now our installation is finished. And first of all, I'm sorry about my accent. I'm not English native speaker, so if I have said any words wrong, please forgive me. As the next step is to change directory to our project. We call it first project. Now we are inside first project. Let's type code dot to open the project with VS Code. You can use any program for coding. I just using VS Code because it's easy and powerful. Now we have the application installed, and as you see is a left sidebar, we have all the folder of Laravel project, Laravel 10 project. We will take a tour in these folders and files and see each one of them what he made, what it made. So watch the new video to see our structure and folder structure to explain each one of those. Thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel and support me to install uploading more videos.